The SATO project developed a cloud-based platform capable of deploying an innovative self-assessment and optimization framework in buildings. It provides data-driven self-assessments of building energy systems while self-optimizing their performance without neglecting occupants' comfort. In this context, the Worten retail pilots of the SATO project, located in Seixal and Amadora, are crucial for studying various aspects of building energy performance. These pilots explore natural ventilation and solar heat gain control to reduce the thermal demands on the HVAC system. Additionally, they enable the deployment of a self-calibration method for digital twins, utilizing the innovative capabilities developed in the SATO project.
To enable these solutions, motorized windows and internal window shades were installed, as well as sensors to measure indoor air quality, illuminance, and electrical use. Existing occupancy sensors were also integrated into the platform. All these systems are now monitored and controlled through SATO platform, allowing for software-driven optimization to enhance the building energy performance. In summary, the SATO solutions implemented in these pilots have increased the smartness of the buildings, creating a real impact, improve comfort, reduce energy costs, and enhance sustainability. Stay tuned for more updates on the project and look out for more videos on other pilot sites.